So Noel here is finally got the full use out of one of his tires. It's been worn right down where it's literally worn right through and punctured. So I'm going to help him lift it up here, and we're going to put a new tire on it. Have you done that before, Noel?
Oh, yeah.
Many times. And this is Italika. This is a Mexican, actually, made in China, but it's a Mexican brand, right?
Yeah.
A Mexican brand, but Chinese made. I believe they're imported from China, and then they assemble them here in Mexico. And here's Noel changing the tire on the ATV. And they're cranked on really tight, just like a car's lug nuts. Irwin, he's got his money's worth out of it. Check it out.
I need somebody to lift a little bit and put a block.
He literally, look at that, he literally wore it right through. Isn't that incredible? Right through. He's got no more rubber left.
You know how to change it? Yeah.
He's just like me. He uses tires till they're expired. I'm a filmographer. I am the videographer. Somebody's got to make the video of this getting lifted. Let's let Oliver. Oliver, can you lift up this ATV? Lift it up. See? Lift up the ATV.
You can't, you like that? Lift that side. What do you want? Yeah, no. Okay, I know. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Oh, I can't lift that. Una más.
So how are you going to break the bead? I use a jack like from a car.
And you push it in?
Whether it's this twist one, and you put it up against something solid, and it does it now.
Oh yeah?
I do it all the time, even at home.
I don't have no more jack.
That's a good tip from Irwin. He's an RV technician, retiring here in Mexico.
Yeah, I use the bottom, I lift off to the back of the truck, right off the hitch. I break my motorcycle beads like that, car, tire beads, everything like that. Use a hammer, it might not be very good. Yeah, use a hammer. Yeah, no.
Hey, Likey. How's my favorite little Chihuahua? Hey, Likey. My favorite little Chihuahua and Likey. So, if you can't get it with that hammer, you get a bigger hammer, right, Irwin?
No.
That's the tool of the trade, the big hammer, right?
That's hard to do with a hammer.
See.
I use a jack.
Hey, here's your dog. His dog's name is Mikey.
My little Mikey.
He's a Mikey, and he doesn't likey fireworkies. And there's Likey. That's their Likey pup right here. The little mini Chihuahua. And there's the kitty, one of the kitties around here. Hey, Likey. And there's Kayliana. Kayliana.
Kailani.
Kaylani.
Sí.
Kaylani. Hola, Kaylani. ¿Cómo estás?
That'll work.
So see, there's the bigger hammer we asked for. Irwin's got it there. So if the little hammer doesn't work, you just get a bigger hammer. That's how you solve problems on mechanics. Right, Irwin?
Not always.
It's a joke, buddy.
I know.
No, I think
I would never do it like that.
Let's see how he does it. Oh, Jasmine knows how to do it. Oh, yeah.
Really, eh?
No,
This is how you change a tire, Mexican style. Even the women can do it here. Hey, even the senoritas can change a tire in Mexico. There it is. The bead's almost broke. You got it under the bead.
Okay. I know there's other
Yeah.
All kinds of ways.
Usually I put this around
Yes.
first. Move this,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah, a little bit at a time, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put this around for
A little bit at a
move.
So like I said, I use my jack and I use a cordless drill, 19 millimeter socket.
Yeah.
Put it up against the back of the truck or right here on this roof.
Yeah.
With a 2x4 underneath it and then just go ring.
Wow. And there's the bike that I went on a tour with yesterday, and they're selling their aluminum here for 50 pesos for a big bag of aluminum cans. You get 50 pesos, which is about $4 here. And he's still working away at it.
Nope, you missed.
It's a slowly but sure method. You got it. Wow, look, getting close now. Oh, now here Oliver's got the secret trick. A little bit of soap, a little bit of slippery soap on there. Let's see if that helps. That's what we use in Canada. A little bit of teamwork here. Now we're gonna have Irwin slamming it with the big sledgehammer. And Noel holding it.
Put this coming in underneath.
Yeah. There, more.
That's a good bead. She's on there good, eh? Wow, you've got the bead broke. You've broke the bead on it. Now you got to break the back bead.
It's already almost gone.
And the back bead comes off easier. Yeehaw, the back bead is broken. And now it's just a matter of peeling it off that rim, eh?
I'll go get another tool. Just wait.
Multiple pry bars. Oh, just instead of sliding it around, just go around. Yeah, in Canada we have a machine that brings it around, but hey, that works just as good, eh, Irwin?
Oh, they have the machines here too.
You did lots of tires as an RV tech guy, I guess, eh?
I do dirt bike tires. I do my own tires. I don't do anything except for big stuff on that.
We have separated the rim from the tire. Oh, that's a really nice tire.
Okay, which way?
Yeah, I'm looking.
The other way, yeah. Directional tread is that way forward.
Here, right here it
Yeah, put down a little bit. Put your foot.
says. Yeah. Watch yourself.
Usually you go with a star armor. Right now with a star armor. You go?
Yeah, it's going slowly. Yeah.
That's the first time I've ever seen a tire being put on with a hammer. Hey, how about you?
With my 3 tire irons that I use.
Look at that. Yeah, now he's got the one side on. Now we're gonna lube up the other side here so it slips onto the rim better. The trick is lots of slippery soap.
You want to hold this one? The bar? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
No, you go too far. Oh, you
No,
go too
I'm
far.
doing the other side. It's okay. You can do the other side too. You know. Huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Put
And
down
push,
here.
push
Now
this
I
down
always use a third one, eh?
Yeah.
there. Right here, yeah.
No, we're underneath. We're good. I always use. Don't. No, just wait. Just wait. It's good to go. Don't go. One more. Just wait.
There you go. There you go. Very good.
And one more. Just leave yours in there, I think. Come over to your side. Okay, good. Good. Hold that one. I'm gonna take this one.
Yeah, once the hammer.
Give me this one. No. Just wait.
No, you got it. You got it now.
No, I'm not
Good job, man. It's like you've done this before.
I used to do it for a living. I've done hundreds and hundreds of flat tires.
Well, that's why you make it look so easy, Irwin. Well, look at that. That's how you seal the bead. You just bounce it up and down a couple of times, and then you pump it up. It's that simple, eh? You don't even need like the big air compressor like we use in Canada.
Air compressor's nice if you can't get the bead. Then you wish you had an air compressor, but I don't use ether.
Oh yeah, you put a little gas and light it. You put a little gas in there, and then like propane, and then light it. Boom. That's what they use on the big trucks. See?
The time you don't want to go, you put a gasoline, and you put the light.
Oh, you put the gasoline inside and light it? Boom! And that's the explosion seals the bead. How many PSI do you run these at, Noel? 30? 5 PSI? 4? Really low, eh?
Okay, I'll go get my barbecue lighter. Is yours have a long one?
No.
You don't have a long barbecue
No,
lighter?
just a shorty. So Noel and Irwin here are going to use a little gasolina to cause an explosion and seal the bead on that tire, because having a little problem getting the bead to seal and getting it to hold air. Just pour the gas right inside there,
Yeah.
and then light her on fire.
Yeah.
And you do that every time, and it works every time, eh?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's how you fix a tire on a ATV in Mexico when you don't have a tire
Now is
machine.
when we need Matthias. Now is when we use Matthias. Okay.
Okay, but now we need to
You
put
want
the
me
gas.
to do it now?
We need to put the gas inside.
I'm the guy that doesn't want to do it.
Okay.
You got to put the gas in the tire. Put the gas inside the tire.
No.
Not all over the ground, because it'll
Not
burn.
inside.
Inside.
Not on the tire.
Inside.
Okay.
In the tire,
Inside.
because all this is gonna burn. Pouring the
Okay.
gas right inside the tire, and a little more all the way
Okay.
around. You want the fire all the way
Okay.
around over there.
And now we need a light.
A little bit more, I guess.
Little
Okay.
amounts of
Okay.
gasolina.
Okay, where's the light?
Ah, where's the light?
Let me move out of the way here. Let me move. Get you fall over.
There, he's lit the fire, and it's not exploding.
Well, it's eventually, I suppose.
Is it gonna explode? It's not like ether though. Ether goes boom. Ether and propane go boom.
Big bar? Right there.
No, because
You need more air. There you go. Oh.
No, not over.
Well, that warmed it up. That warmed the bead up. One more time. Does it seal half the bead?
No, it's okay. Don't push that down. That side's ready to go.
I'm gonna try and get some air in it now. The bead will be nice and warm and soft. The rubber will be softer. Little team effort there. Trying to get the bead to seal. The hardest part is getting the bead off when you take it off, and then getting it to seal again when you don't have the proper tire machine.
See, if you had a compressor, of course, this is when it does work.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like a little car one. Now push down right there. Right there. Right there.
Here's some good teamwork in action here. Noel's holding the tire down on the bead so it'll seal while Irwin pumps it up. Mexican style.
1 month old, eh?
Yeah.
So you got him to blast it up with the air compressor for you?
There's a compressor somewhere.
It took 2 seconds.
Yeah, you put a compressor in the wall.
Yeah, he went with his motorbike somewhere. He went with the motorbike somewhere. He went on.
Yeah, you prefer the car jack method to break the bead, eh?
Oh, it's no work.
Just
Not at all.
2 seconds and it's done.
Well, not 2 seconds,
30.
It breaks the bead without a lot of effort.
Well, that was the hardest part, breaking the bead and then resetting the bead.
When I had my tractor, my front end loader, I would use the front end loader blade, even to do delicate Ducati ones.
Wow,
Crazy.
gotta love it.
That,
Never know what you're gonna run into or who you're gonna see on Budget Traveler.
some guy on Instagram or something, he's using a RV scissor jack.
Yeah.
And he built some contraptions where it fits on the A-frame or the hitch of his truck on the receiver. And everybody's always so brilliant. It's not going to work.
My small bar.
It's not going to work because
My small bar.
You never know what you're gonna run into or who you're gonna see on Budget Traveler. Here in Higuera Blanca on our first kind of semi-cloudy day today, but it's still absolutely beautiful. Stay tuned for the next video. Budget Traveler.